Hi, welcome to Beginner's Guide to Writing. My name is Chris Lightfoot and I set up this site especially for new and inexperienced writers who want to write about their family history, their own life and experiences, local history and so on. Because writing a full-length book can seem a bit daunting, I encourage people to start by writing in bite-sized pieces. In other words, I suggest simply picking out a special event or occasion, a specific time or period, a notable experience or whatever. However, choosing which bits to write about can sometimes be a bit difficult, so in the meantime, I have come up with an idea that might just inspire you to get scribbling. Let's assume that you have a collection of photos which you might not even look at very often. However, when you do show them to family and friends, you probably tell them a bit about the photo. For instance, who's in it, where it was taken, when it was taken, what the occasion was, and so on. Well, it is this information which you could use as a basis for a short story or narrative. Your photos do tell a story, but unless you write them down, they will be forgotten. So why not grab a copy of my ebook, which includes some tips on how to get started? Pick out some photos and start taking a closer look. You may discover or remember things you never expected. You will find a link to my ebook from the Beginner's Guide to Writing shop.